Hey guys, Andrew here and welcome back to AppIQ. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your app icon badges to numbers, right? And this is useful when you're receiving notifications. And typical example is if you look at my Gmail here, there is a dot, right? And I have a new email comes in. And if you look at the top, you can see the email notification. If I swipe from the top down, you will see that email as well. Currently, it is currently set to dot. And while I am aware of this, I can even turn it into a number so that it shows the number of email that I have for each application. And you can set this for all the applications that you have. It's just one simple settings that you need to do in order to fix this. Now, in order to change this to the numbers, swipe up and you want to open up your settings. Now, go to your home screen and you want to scroll all the way down to where it says app icon badges. You want to tap on that and you want to change this to number. Now, if I go back now to my home screen, you can now see that it is now showing a 1. And this is much more meaningful because it is telling me now that I have one new email, which is much better than having just a dot there showing and you don't know what exactly it means. Of course, you know that it's a notification, right? But to make it more meaningful, it's better to have like the number there to show you how many notifications or how many emails, how many messages you have there, right? This is how you can easily go ahead and change it from a dot to numbers. Really hope you find this useful, guys, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below, and also hit that subscribe button if you're seeing the channel for the first time. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.